side. Iron ore transport is clear. Opening the gate now.
The separation rate is high right now. Yeah, the magnets are working overtime.
Is this normal steel? It's cold rolled 30 times for hardness.
Bring it down slow. Watch the alignment.
Mandrel engaged. Secure the clamps.
Why is it called hard freaking stainless? It breaks normal presses. Now, cutting with light.
The secret to the Cybertruck's durability. Air bending ensures zero surface scratches on the ultra-hard steel.
How do they stay cool? A special pink epoxy. Next, the glue.
Can you sit on a battery? In this truck, you do. Power test. Is it just a battery? It's the floor of the truck. Next, the marriage.
How many bolts hold it? Surprisingly few, massive ones. Bolting.
All bolts secured on this side, clear on the battery pack. Send it through.
Why carbon fiber? To stop it expanding at high speed.
How much power in this box? More than a sports car. Installation. Clear on the left, bring it up slowly. Watch the alignment pin. Engaging bolts now.
How high can it go? This self-leveling adaptive air suspension provides an incredible 17 inches of ground clearance.
Is this the exoskeleton? No, this is just the skeleton.
Why a triangle? It's the strongest geometric shape. Next, the skin.
Steady, steady. Hold it right there.
Can you spot weld stainless?
No, you need lasers, laser welding.
Torsional stiffness is well within parameters.
Dimensional verification checks out. Good to proceed. Sealant applied, ready for positioning.
Guide it down slowly, maintain pressure.
Looks good. Engage the vacuum.
Why not a steel bed? This composite doesn't dent or rust.
What about the front? Another trunk appears. The frunk.
Make sure the tunnel is fully seated.
Engaging the rear clips now.
Can a baseball break the window? Not this one. Next, armor glass.
Bringing it in. We're flush. Go for the bolts. Tightening now. Secured.
The motorized tonneau features weather-sealed, interlocking aluminum slats, strong enough to support 300 pounds.
Have you seen the wiper? It's the biggest in the world. Next, the Giga Wiper.
Does it cover the whole glass? Almost all of it in one sweep. Next, vital fluids.
beam pattern is stable.
Calibration successful.
We have a pass.
Dry.
Oh,这个树是哪好玩？
Check the reflection on the front quarter panel.
Looks clean from here, but let's double check the grain direction.
We did it! It's finally rolling off the line!
Keep it coming slowly, watching the clearance.
Almost there, centered now. All right, it's secured, let's roll.
All right, team, here are the bills of lading for the 4 Cybertrucks.
Thank you. We'll cross-reference the VINs immediately.